Good day to one and all. I am Anusha Devi from RYMSc Engineering College, Ballari. I have completed my paper under the guidance of Sunita Ma'am, Assistant Professor of CSC, RYM Engineering College, Ballari. My seminar topic is Big Data Based Adaptive Learning and Scope of Automation in Actionable Knowledge. The main aim of this paper is the actions we are going to take for providing personalized learning and gaining the knowledge. These are the contents. Introduction. Big data research is being carried out for a long time to extract the data from larger data sets. It is one of the techniques to extract the data in very less time by using different big data mechanisms such as Hadoop, Hive, Pig, MapReduce, etc. These are the mechanisms from Java. It is changing all over the world regarding how to live, how to think, how to survive, and how to analyze this. The big data concept is using in education, cities, in businesses and industries, etc. There are 4 important steps in developing the big data. Initially, we have to identify the type of data that have generated. After collecting the data, whether it is applicable for real world scenario or not. If yes, then it is used in making summations. After collecting the data, if all the above 3 points are acceptable, then we can design the concept of big data. Literature work. Many of the researchers was going on regarding the concept of machine learning with the help of improving the quality of education in all the countries. So regarding this domain, many of the researchers were working on collecting the data and making predictive analysis based on the work. Here, some of the researchers have commented in the domain of education purpose. As per Baker, in the year 2013, he studied and commented that 2 important things were reading and writing. The people have to learn and become specialists in at least one of the language, in reading, writing, as well as speaking. As per McNamara, in the year 2014, hidden astute coaches, instructive games, and recreations are subjective models that format the components of an objective area, envisioning a scope of learning paths. Means he is saying to participate in the extracurricular activities. As per Kai et al., in the year 2014, the latest technologies in the development deal by the reading and writing of the technology in a most advanced manner. The automatic technology and advancement manner was improved a lot in the field of advancing the subject concept of view. In the learning and teaching mechanism should be more advanced mode, should be in a more understandable manner. And when the concept is in doubtful stage, the clarification should be taken at the same point of time. Then the subject or learning process will be easy for adapting the teachers. Also should take the feedback from the time to time for the improvement of the faculty in their teaching and learning aid. According to Eds Mueller, he proposed the mechanism in the learning process. This method is also called an incubation process. It is by going with the students and their mindset and by understanding the students. The process depends on the procedural and conceptual manner. The mechanism was proposed in the most advanced manner. Big data procedure. Large data investigation improvement is applied to enter sources. Upon assortment, each information source is disintegrated and diminished to its center attributes. We have to gather the data and verify the data, analyze and tag the data, classify and mapping with present data, verify results and show the results. Here, according to the diagram, sensors is nothing but the input information. And format means the arrangement of data fields for a specific shape. In data extraction, it extracts the data from the data extraction and process it for further. In data analysis, it gives a conclusions. And finally, it correct the results and generate the results. For example, teachers will provide for notes for students where they are giving the information. It is a sensor. In format data, we don't read the entire concept. We will arrange the data like by underlying the sum of the points like that. It is formatting the data. In data extraction means We are collecting the data from the format data, means the only we are collecting the underlined points. Next, we will analyze the concept. Finally, we will understand the concept, means we are generating the result. Education in big data. The most important task is to any data that has been gathered in an appropriate manner during the course of a digitized learning process. That normally include two sorts of data, organized and unstructured information. While in organized information incorporates data. For example, a student IP address or the another hand is username. In unstructured information, many identify with gather writings from web gatherings, video clips or sound documents. While some of the private area organizations have found large information as a developing innovation and they doesn't appear it to be deserving. Then where does educational data actually come from? Then one of the country US, the instructive framework ends up being progressively liberal in actualizing new advancements. It gives a few thoughts. US people said that extra data may originate from the e-learning stages, PCs and tabs. From that, we can gain some of the knowledge by using online courses. Proposed work. When this method was implemented, many of the drastic changes were taking place in the countries. And the educational methodology and way of teaching learning was improved a lot. Some of the countries such as England, USA, they used this technique from past 10 years where the education was developed. Initially, they did not accept it for this concept because of giving their complete data to the third party. Conclusion and future work. In terms of teaching methods and other aspects, modern education has changed dramatically. Many adjustments were going place to implement a huge revolution in order to keep traditional schooling unmodified. In England and USA, all made the value of education more powerful by adding some of the things to the existing scenarios, such as practically doing in the subject and all. Privacy and legal terms as per the technology depends on the country to country. Whereas in Europe, they did not accept this concept because of giving their details to the servers and cannot guarantee the data privacy and encryption of the data. These are the papers I have referred. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma.
Thank you, ma'am.